Blockchain technology has taken the world by storm with a plethora of applications in the modern industry. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain, with their application in a lot of business scenarios, paved the way for decentralized inclusion. It's a consensus-driven system and, of course, an incentive-driven one. In this program, we are going to bring to you the core principles of blockchain technology from a theoretical angle as well as from the practical point of view of the story. We'll arm you with a comprehensive, practical, and actionable knowledge of blockchain technology so that you can apply it to your own business use case. Blockchain technology in its core relies on a very few technical components, but it promises much more. It promises authenticity, attribution, automation, consistency, and immutability of your records. That's exactly what drives today's decentralized crypto economy. In this program, we really break down the learning curve to blockchain technology. In Module 1, the first part, we are talking about the components and the technical details of blockchain, but really in bite-sized pieces. In Module 1, Part 2, that's where I come in. I talk about crypto economics in terms of consensus and the incentive-driven community of blockchain. By the end of Module 1, you will know enough about the theory and practical aspects and the technical components of blockchain so as to start thinking about business use cases and how well you can fit blockchain in your own landscape. In Module 2, we follow this up by talking to you about practical use cases of blockchain technology. We'll take case studies and break it down point to point to make sure you understand where and how blockchain gets applied. The second part in Module 2 will complement this idea of blockchain revolution. We'll discuss blockchain from a legal and governance point of view in Singapore and in the world context so that you know how you can transform your business but stay within the regulatory framework of this technology. By this part, you will thoroughly comprehend the regulatory and governance aspects of blockchain technology. The last module is reserved for the most interesting part, blockchain in the real world. You'll understand much better how these organizations have achieved sustained growth using blockchain, and you will know how to apply this in your own business use case. In the last part of the program, the attendees are going to design their own blockchain-driven enterprise strategy. This, we believe, is a real take-home message. They'll be led by industry and academic experts, and they have the freedom to choose a business use case and then try to see if blockchain fits the purpose. Come and join us for the Blockchain Innovation Strategy Program offered by Nanyang Technopreneurship Center, NTU. I myself will look forward to meeting you in the very first module of the program, where I teach Part 2, all about crypto economics. I'm sure we'll have lots of fun.